and then connect the power to the 220 volt, and you could see the screen is light now. Okay,